Hey hustlers, welcome back to the channel where we break down big moves and bold players in today's most exciting industries. In this video, we're going zeroing in on Rocket Lab and unpacking how this underdog is giving SpaceX a run for its money. From strategic maneuvers to financial finesse and cutting edge technology, join us as we're dissecting Rocket Lab's competitive edge in a rapidly evolving space sector. Whether you're investing or you're just fascinated in the space race, you're in the right place to get the inside scoop. I'm your host Liam. Now let's dive right in. First, we're going to compare both CEOs. Rocket Lab's Peter Beck and SpaceX is Elon Musk. Peter Beck is CEO and founder of Rocket Lab, and he started from humble beginnings in New Zealand, a country without a major space program. His vision was clear: make space more accessible. Under his leadership, Rocket Lab has become a key player in the small launch satellite industry, with its introduction of the Electron rocket, known for its efficiency and frequency of launches. On the other side, we have Elon Musk, a visionary, known for his bold ambitions with SpaceX. Musk does not only disrupt the space industry with his reusable Falcon 9 rocket, but he also dreams of colonizing Mars and has initiated an extensive Starlink project for global broadband. Delving into their technological advancements, Peter Beck's Rocket Lab has excelled in creating their cost-effective and reliable solution tailored for small to medium payloads. Their Electron rocket is a marvel of engineering designed for rapid and frequent launches, a vital trait for growing demand in the small satellite sector. In contrast, Elon Musk's SpaceX pushes the envelope with Falcon Heavy and the Starship, focusing on heavy payloads and a sustainable and interplanetary travel. SpaceX reusable rockets have become a cornerstone of modern aerospace, significantly reducing the cost of space access. Peter Beck's specific strategy is on agility and market-specific solutions, allowing Rocket Lab to swiftly adapt to customer needs and changes in the space market. This has given them a competitive edge in deploying satellite constellations and other bespoke space services. Elon Musk's strategy encompasses a broader scope, aiming at multi-planetary human presence and revolutionize global communication through Starlink. His ventures promise to transform not just space travel, but how we live here on Earth. Peter Beck's leadership style emphasizes practicality and steady progress, focusing on incremental improvements and expanding Rocket Lab's capabilities sustainably. His goal is to innovate within a niche of small satellite launches and explore interplanetary missions with the same pragmatism. Elon Musk is known for his charismatic and sometimes controversial public persona. This drives SpaceX with a vision that sometimes seems drawn from science fiction. His ambitious goals inspire both awe and skepticism, reflecting his risk tolerance approach to business and technology. While Peter Beck and Elon Musk both aim for the stars, their paths reflect their unique philosophies and operational scales. Beck's Rocket Lab optimizes the small satellite niche with precision, whereas Musk's SpaceX seeks to redefine space travel on a grand scale. For investors and enthusiasts alike, each offers unique opportunities and challenges. As we continue to watch their journeys unfold, the impact of their work promises to reach far beyond orbits of their spacecraft. Now we're going to look at Rocket Lab's competitive edge over SpaceX. Rocket Lab has carved out a significant niche by specializing in small to medium satellite launch market. Unlike SpaceX, which targets a wide range of space activities, including manned spaceflight and interplanetary travel missions, Rocket Lab focuses on providing rapid, reliable, and cost-effective launch solutions for small satellites. This specialization allows Rocket Lab to cater specifically for commercial, scientific, and governmental entities that require frequent and flexible access to orbit for smaller payloads. Technological specialization. While SpaceX pushes the boundaries of innovation with large rockets such as Falcon Heavy and Starship, Rocket Lab optimizes its technology for smaller to medium payloads through its Electron and forthcoming Neutron rockets. The Electron rocket in particular is designed for quick turnaround time and high launch frequency, offering capabilities that are tailored to the unique demands of small satellite operators. Operational efficiency. Rocket Lab focuses on smaller satellites, which means that it can offer a more personalized customer service and adapt quickly to market changes. This operational agility is a key competitive advantage. For instance, Rocket Lab's launch sites are strategically located to provide a variety of orbital access, and its streamlined production processes allow for frequent and reliable launches, which is crucial for clients needing to deploy satellites on tight schedules. Reusability and sustainability. Rocket Lab is also making significant strides in rocket reusability, but with its different approach than SpaceX. While SpaceX reuses the entire first stage of its rocket, Rocket Lab is developing technology to recover and reuse only the engines of Electron rocket. This method is more suited for a smaller launcher market, potentially reducing costs and environmental impact without the logistical and technical complexities of full booster recovery. So in regards to market responsiveness, Rocket Lab's smaller scale and focused approach allow it to rapidly adapt to industry changes and customer needs. This nimbleness gives Rocket Lab a distinct edge in serving satellite constellations, research institutions, and emerging space enterprises that benefit from bespoke launch services. Rocket Lab has adeptly built strategic partnerships that significantly enhance its service offerings and operational capabilities. A notable collaboration involves Australian government, aiming to support rapid growth of Australia's national space capabilities. This partnership aligns with Australia's ambitious plans to expand the space sector significantly by 2030, leveraging Rocket Lab's expertise in satellite launches and space systems technology. Such strategic alliances not only enhances Rocket Lab's operational footprint, but also reinforces its role as a pivotal player in global space endeavours. So with expansion efforts, Rocket Lab is vigorously expanding its presence and capabilities. The company has established a new subsidiary in Australia aiming to tap into its burgeoning space sector, driven by substantial government investment and a strategic focus on areas like Earth observation and satellite operations. This expansion is part of Rocket Lab's broader strategy to enhance a global reach and operational flexibility, contrasting with SpaceX focus on scaling up its existing large-scale projects. So in relation to Virginia launch site and manufacturing complex, furthering its expansion in the United States, Rocket Lab has chosen Virginia as a site for its Neutron rocket launch site and new manufacturing complex. This move is supported by the strong government and commercial interest and underscores Rocket Lab's commitment to building a responsible and reliable space launch capability. The strategic location at Wallops Island, supported by Virginia's robust aerospace infrastructure, positions Rocket Lab to significantly enhance its launch capabilities and service offerings. We're going to move on to Rocket Lab's technical innovations versus SpaceX. Rocket Lab has differentiated itself by focusing on technological innovations tailored for smaller payloads. The Electron rocket, Rocket Lab's flagship launch vehicle, is celebrated for its efficiency and adaptability, catering specifically for small satellite market. This is contrast to SpaceX's Falcon rockets, which is designed for a broader range of payload sizes and includes capabilities for manned missions. Rocket Lab is advancing its capabilities with the development of the Neutron rocket, which is expected to be a game changer in the medium lift market segment. The Neutron is designed to carry up to 8,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit, which places it in direct competition with SpaceX Falcon 9. However, unlike SpaceX's broader strategy, which includes heavy lift capabilities and interplanetary missions, Rocket Lab's Neutron targets a specific niche between light lift and heavy lift rockets, focusing on cost efficiency and rapid reusability. This includes plans for the Neutron's first stage booster to land vertically on an ocean platform similar to SpaceX's recovery strategy. So when we compare to SpaceX offerings, SpaceX Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy are larger and more versatile, capable of carrying heavier payloads, up to 2,800 kilograms to low Earth orbit for Falcon 9 and significantly more for Falcon Heavy. Falcon 9's reusability through vertical landing is well established and has been a game changer in reducing launch costs. SpaceX's Starship, aiming for interplanetary missions, represents an ambiguous leap beyond Earth's orbit and is full reusability and heavy payload capacity. For investors, Rocket Lab's focused on smaller satellites can be seen as strategic advantage. The smaller satellite market is rapidly expanding, driven by lower costs and faster development times of these satellites compared to traditional larger satellites. Rocket Lab's specialization in this area allows it to offer frequent and cost-effective launches, which could be appealing for continuous investment as the demand for satellite launches increases. Rocket Lab's focus on specific niches within the aerospace market, coupled with strategic technological advancements, positions itself as a formidable competitor to SpaceX in its selected segments. This targeted approach could offer a compelling case for investors who are interested in a company with strong potential in the fast-growing small and medium satellite market. So Rocket Lab's space systems business has strategically positioned itself to compete effectively with SpaceX, focusing on integration and diversification of its offerings, particularly in the manufacturing of spacecraft components and systems. Unlike SpaceX, which operates on a larger scale across various sectors, including heavy lift launches and interplanetary missions, Rocket Lab has honed its expertise in small to medium satellite market. This focus is evident in its expansion and enhancement of production facilities for components like reaction wheels and star tractors, essential for satellite functionality. Rocket Lab's approach includes a significant emphasis on becoming an end-to-end space provider in the aerospace sector. This strategy is similar to SpaceX, but tailored to Rocket Lab's scale and market focus. By acquiring companies like Sinclair Interplanetary, Rocket Lab has bolstered its capabilities to produce essential satellite hardware in-house, which enhances its control over the manufacturing process and reduce dependency on external suppliers. Moreover, Rocket Lab's expansion into new production facilities and its growth in its contract backlog, including substantial orders from satellite components from major industry players, reflects its robust position in the market. The company's ability to rapidly produce and supply high-quality satellite components at scale addresses a critical bottleneck in the industry, particularly with the rising demand of satellite constellations. In contrast, SpaceX space system business, exemplified by projects like Starlink, involves deploying large satellite constellations to provide global broadband service, which represents a different scale and scope of operation. SpaceX's approach to integrating satellite production with launch capabilities has set high industry standard that Rocket Lab aspires to meet, albeit within their targeted market segments. Overall, Rocket Lab's strategic expansion and focus on integrating satellite manufacturing capabilities position it as a strong contender in the aerospace industry, providing tailored solutions that are particularly appealing to small to medium satellite market. This strategic positioning makes Rocket Lab an attractive prospect for investors looking for growth opportunities in specific niches of the space industry that are expected to see rapid expansion. So comparing the financials and market capitalization of Rocket Lab and SpaceX reveal insightful contrasts that may interest investors. Rocket Lab, with a market cap of approximately $2.15 billion, showcases a focused growth trajectory in the small to medium satellite launch market. This is relatively modest when compared to SpaceX's massive valuation of around $180 billion, which reflects its broader market scope, including large satellite constellation and interplanetary missions. Rocket Lab's strategic approach includes expanding its manufacturing capabilities and enhancing its launch services, which are reflected in its revenue growth and strategic initiatives like the Neutron development project. Despite some financial pressure evident from its financial metrics, Rocket Lab shows positive trends in revenue, which grew by 240% in 22 and an additional 15% in 23. These figures demonstrate the company's ability to expand its revenue base even though it operates at a loss currently. SpaceX, on the other hand, continues to enhance its already diverse operations, ranging from launching the massive Starlink satellite constellation to developing Starship for Mars colonization. This wide-range approach has solidified SpaceX financial muscles, supported by significant revenue from both governmental and commercial contracts. For investors, these distinctions are crucial. Rocket Lab offers a targeted investment in a growing segment of the satellite launch market, with potential for significant returns as it continues to scale operations and enters new markets like medium lift launches. SpaceX, although not a publicly traded company, represents a more mature but broader investment opportunity with diversified interests across various sectors of space exploration. Investors should weigh Rocket Lab's focused market approach and expanding operational capabilities against SpaceX's vast operational scale and diversified revenue streams. This comparison might favor investors looking for a specialized but growing player in Rocket Lab compared to a well-established leader in SpaceX's dependent on risk appetite and investment strategy. Rocket Lab's focused strategy, technological innovations, and strategic expansions provide with a unique competitive edge in the market segments. For investors, understanding these dynamics is a key to appreciating Rocket Lab's potential as a formidable player in the aerospace sector, especially when compared to the industry's giant SpaceX. So guys, thank you for watching. For more insights into aerospace industry and detailed analysis on major players like Rocket Lab and SpaceX, don't forget to hit that subscribe and click that bell icon just to stay updated on our latest content. Peace out.